We have a creator here that's asking whether their content to subscriber ratio makes sense and whether their growth is stalling. This post is from a creator that's uploaded around 22 videos and is currently sitting at around 44 subscribers. So from the numbers alone, there's nothing here that suggests a problem. For a channel at this stage, the spread of views is actually really healthy. Long-form videos reaching several hundred views indicate that YouTube is already testing the content beyond a minimal sample, and shorts reaching into the thousands even once. This suggests the system is exploring different viewer pools. So the important part is not the subscriber count in isolation. However, it's whether impressions are being issued and whether any videos are being picked up for testing, and both are happening here. So when a channel is genuinely struggling early on, you tend to see consistently very low ceilings across all formats, but this isn't the case in this example. So at this stage of a channel, subscriber growth is often delayed compared to view growth, and that is normal. Viewers subscribe and they understand what the channel consistently offers, not simply because a video performs well once. So even without seeing the channel itself, the numbers suggest that YouTube is already finding some alignment between the content and the audience, and that means that the system is not ignoring the channel. But the next phase isn't about increasing output or changing formats. It should more so be about tightening consistency so that viewers who enjoy one video understand why they should return to the next. So this looks less like a growth problem and more like a clarity phase that hasn't fully settled in.